In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your ringtone on your iPhone device. So let's just dive straight into the video. So if you ever want to change your ringtone, all you have to do is go into your settings app and then go to sounds and haptics and then go to ringtone. So at the moment, this is the one reflection. However, if I want to change it to any of the other defaults, I can just tap into any of these. And that will give me like a quick snapshot of the ringtone. So I'm just going to leave it on this one as I like that one. Now, if you ever want to do like a custom song as your ringtone, you can also go to the tone store within the iPhone and then go to music, and then you can go and buy a particular song as your ringtone. So there you have it, guys. That's a really quick and easy way on how you can change the ringtone on your iPhone. And this will also work for all iPhone 13s, all iPhone models out there, including the most recent versions and the oldest ones as well. So if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.